Hey YouTube, so today I'm gonna plant some potatoes, and these are just store-bought potatoes that I just let sit out and sprout. I remember my grandmother used to do this. We never grew them, but she used to put them in the windowsill and just let them do that. So this part I am familiar with. I mean, look at this. Doesn't look pretty at all. So I don't really know what to expect, but if I plant these right, we should have somewhat of a harvest. So I'll show you what this looks like once I put them in the soil. Be right back. really well. All right, so these are our russet potatoes. First time growing them. 2 potatoes in there, 3 potatoes in there, and then 2 potatoes in here. So this is the green bean bed, and we've got the Aroma bush in here and the provider bush, and these are coming up really nicely. I did not know, however, according to something I read online, onions and green beans don't mix, apparently. I don't know, but they will for me this year. So this is what the bed is looking like. All of these have come up and they're doing good. There's a sunflower there. Here I put at the bottom, I put the I put the burpee pole beans at the bottom here, around here. And the theory is when they grow, they'll crawl up on here and those will be pole beans. That's the theory. We'll see how that goes. And these are the carrots and the beets. All kind of carrots in here, and only 2 type of beets: the bull's blood and the Detroit dark red. And then I stuck some radish seeds in here also when we planted these. And there goes a radish there. See if you can see it good. Right there. Looking really good. And then there's another one in here somewhere. There's a radish there too. But I'll definitely be planting more radishes. But that's how that's looking. Over here, I have a zucchini that came up, and I think this one is Black Beauty, I think, from Baker Creek. So that's coming up nicely. These starter plants from Walmart, onions, those are coming up really nice. This is mine from seed in this bed over there, but they don't look bad. And then let's go to the big garden, or the big bed. Our sugar snack peas starting to climb up really nicely. And there's onions all throughout here. Now this one is, I shouldn't have planted this one right here, but we'll see what happens. A starter plant from Walmart, onion starters. More onions. Here is a Paul Roberson tomato. We'll see how that does. Over here is a honeycomb tomato. Here, I don't know. It's a pineapple tomato, but I don't know if that's gonna make it. It's growing though, slowly. Here is the Shimshin cucumber from Baker Creek. That's coming up really nicely. More onions all around. More cucumbers. This is either a B Alpha or a Space Master. One of the two. But that's what I got there. And here, I gotta water this, but these are that onion from Baker Creek, and it's a bunch of onion. It's Shakur onion. So here is the Shakur onion. We'll see how this does. And then here is the Marvelous Mint from Baker Creek. And slowly but surely it's coming up. Looks good there. All around in there. And then again, these are the potatoes that we planted for the first time. I am excited to see. I am excited to see what we get. Even if our potatoes are about this small, or maybe even this small, I'll be happy. First time growing. And until the next video, peace.